Hello, my name is Augustina and I'm a professional makeup artist. Today here with WONDERSKIN, I'm going to show you how to recreate this 90s grunge inspired makeup. This look is all about the eyes. So firstly, I'm going in with WONDERSKIN Longwear pencil in black Truffle. These pencils have a soft glide application and blend really well. And once set, they are transfer proof and can last up to 24 hours. To blend, I'm using a bigger brush with a little bit more dense bristles. And I just absolutely love the color of this pencil, the gray with glitter in it, and it's a perfect base pencil to use alone or wear with something else. I'm just using the residue to drag the color underneath for a little bit of definition and also picking up a little bit of the product directly from the tip of the pencil and dragging it again. This way you have a little bit more control and a softer blend under the eye. Now to tightline the eyes, I'm using the same pencil in Liquorice. Because these pencils are super long wear, they are perfect for tightlining your eyes. If you can see, Kim's eyes are moving from one side to the other, and this is the perfect trick when you're doing your tight lining, looking the completely other way from where the pencil is going. To define the lash line and intensify it, I'm going over with the same Liquorice pencil and using a flat brush to precisely blend it in that area, and then just using the same brush I've used earlier to blend all together. Now to intensify this eye even more, I'm using the WONDERSKIN Powerful Mascara, and this mascara has a really intense black pigment as well as non-clumpy application. And now just to finish off this look, I'm using WONDERSKIN Lip Stain in Lovely. This formula is also smudge proof and waterproof and is perfect for a night out. The easiest way to remove this is with a damp cloth or a wet wipe. You can easily leave your stain at home because you will not have to reapply it all night.